Are you ready to revolutionize your indoor grilling experience? The Ninja FG551 Foodi Smart XL Grill is here to make it happen. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this appliance deserves a top spot in your kitchen and how it can help you achieve culinary perfection. The Smart XL Grill you've been waiting for. The Ninja FG551 isn't just an ordinary indoor grill. It's a culinary powerhouse that combines the functionalities of a grill and an air fryer. Say goodbye to mundane meals and hello to restaurant-quality results from the comfort of your home. Cyclonic Grilling Technology for perfect results. One of the standout features of this grill is its use of 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air. This technology ensures that your food is perfectly cooked or char-grilled to your desired doneness, complete with those delightful grill marks and flavors that make your taste buds dance with joy. Smart cook system with thermometer precision. No more guesswork in the kitchen. The Foodi Smart Thermometer takes the uncertainty out of cooking. With 4 smart protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels, you can achieve the perfect level of doneness, whether you prefer rare or well-cooked. It's all at your fingertips with the touch of a button. Generous XL capacity. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or hosting a backyard barbecue, the Ninja FG551 has the space to accommodate your needs. The grill grate can fit up to 6 steaks, a whopping 24 hot dogs, your main dishes, and sides, all at the same time. Say goodbye to cooking in batches and hello to convenience. 6 cooking functions, endless culinary adventures. With 6 versatile cooking functions including grill, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, the Ninja FG551 allows you to unleash your culinary creativity. The wide temperature range empowers you to explore a world of flavors and cooking styles. Healthier cooking with less fat. Indulge in your favorite crispy delights with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. The included 4-quart crisper basket lets you enjoy the crispiness without the guilt. Smoke control for a clean kitchen. Worried about smoke filling your kitchen? The Ninja FG551 incorporates a smoke control system that combines chef-recommended grilling practices, a temperature-controlled grill grate, a splatter shield, and a cool air zone. Say goodbye to smoky kitchens and hello to a comfortable cooking environment. No more defrosting hassles. Are you in a rush? No problem. This grill can transform frozen foods into perfectly char-grilled masterpieces in under 25 minutes, saving you time and hassle. Dual Sensor Foodi Smart Thermometer. For precise cooking, the Dual Sensor Foodi Smart Thermometer continuously monitors the temperature in 2 places. This ensures even more accurate results, so your meals are cooked to perfection. What's included? When you choose the Ninja FG551 Foodi Smart XL Grill, you receive the complete package. It includes the Ninja Smart XL Grill, a 9 inches by 12 inches grill grate, a 4-quart crisper basket, a 4-quart cooking pot, the Foodi Smart Thermometer, a cleaning brush, and a chef-created 15-recipe book. In conclusion, the Ninja FG551 Foodi Smart XL Grill is a game-changer in the world of indoor grilling. Its innovative features, spacious design, and precision cooking capabilities empower you to create restaurant-quality dishes at home. Say goodbye to bland meals and elevate your culinary game with the Ninja FG551. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.